so hey, this JDNFI. I'm going to show you this pass. You can use it pretty much as I showed you on several different songs. Just pretty much using chord diminished to walk up. All right, we're in the key of G flat here. All right, so our first chord, and like you can use this song pretty much anytime the song turns around. Like this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. That part right there, right before you go into let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Just basic pattern that you can pretty much use just about anywhere. All right, so the first chord, all right, I'm in the key of F sharp, so my first chord is gonna be an F sharp major chord. Left hand, I'm playing F sharp or G flat here. F sharp, C sharp, or G flat and D flat. Right hand, I'm playing, I'm gonna call it in flats. G flat, A flat, B flat, and D flat. All right, next chord, G diminished 7 chord. Left hand, I'm playing G and D. Right hand, I'm playing G, B flat, D flat, E. Next chord, 2 chord, A flat minor 7 chord. All right, I'm actually playing it A flat, E flat. Right hand, I'm playing G flat, B, and E flat. Next chord, good old A diminished 7. So I'm playing chord, diminish. All right, A diminished 7 chord. Left hand, I'm playing A and E. Right hand, I'm playing A, C, E flat, G flat. All right, A diminished 7 chord. Next chord, playing this F sharp over B. I just call it F sharp. Kind of funny chord here. But left hand, I'm playing B flat. You can add the F if you want to, but I'm just playing B flat. Right hand, I'm playing A flat, D flat, and G flat. I call this my 2-5-1 chord because A flat is the second note in this G flat scale. D flat is the 5th note, and then G flat is the 1st note. So I call that my 2-5-1 chord. I use it a lot. All right, so all right, next chord, you're gonna jump up to this D right here, D sharp 11, diminished 7 sharp 11. Left hand, I'm playing D and A. Right hand, I'm playing D, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and I'm taking the C sharp, bringing it down to the B right here. So this, and what I'm doing with the left hand, that's my pattern. So I'm playing F sharp, C sharp, G, D, A flat, E flat, A, E, B flat, F if you want to your D, A, and then my last chord, my E flat minor 7 chord. Left hand, I'm playing E flat, B flat. Right hand, I'm playing G flat major chord with D flat in front. So D flat, G flat, B flat, E minor 7. Sorry, missed it right there. When we all see Jesus. All right, so just to show you, I'm not a singer, but just wanna show you what you can do with that. So I hope that helped. It's just chord, diminish, chord, diminish, chord. All right, and you can use this in using all kind of. Go smoothly to your 2-5-1. Just playing that top note. So I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.